my room for 4 minutes.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for southern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, southern York County in south central Pennsylvania until 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:14 a.m., the dangerous snow squall was located over Gettysburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: extremely poor visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes Interstate 83 from mile marker 0 to 9. This includes the following highways: Route 15 from south of Gettysburg to north of Gettysburg. Route 30 from Cashtown to Averagetown. State Road 97 from Gettysburg to the Maryland border. Locations impacted include Hanover, Gettysburg, Parkville, Littlestown, Shrewsbury, Cutteress, McSherrystown, Spring Grove, Stewartstown, Glen Rock, Pennville, Bonneville, New Oxford, Lake Heritage, Crossroads, Cashtown, Railroad, Ortana, Loganville, and Biglerville. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.